Hello friends, I am Prashant. Welcome to Research Your Food Knowledge platform. In this video, we are going to talk about instant noodles. Instant noodles are one of the most convenient and tasty meal options that is available. However, there are many questions regarding their health effects. In this video, let's find out, are there any ways to make them healthier? Let's get into the topic. The first way is opt for whole grain or brown rice noodles instead of usual refined flour options. As you can see on the screen, these alternatives provide more fiber, vitamins and minerals that can help you keep full for longer time and also helps in your digestion. Brands like Lotus Foods offer brown rice ramen, which is a great substitute. Along with this, there are many whole wheat, millet based and multigrain noodle products available in the market from brands like Maggi, Yippee and Nissin Foods. At Research Your Food, we create content that enriches the lives of both humans and pets. Join our journey and discover more by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Now let's get back to the video. The second way of making instant noodles healthier is by adding plenty of vegetables. If you look at the chemical composition of instant noodles, they lack dietary fiber and other nutrients such as vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. You can boost the nutritional value of noodles by adding variety of vegetables. Broccoli, green peas, bell peppers and carrots are excellent choices. These veggies are rich in various vitamins, minerals, fiber and antioxidants and make the noodles well balanced. Pre-cut your vegetables and store them in refrigerator for easy access. Incorporate lean protein sources like grilled chicken, shrimp, tofu, paneer or a poached egg to your instant noodles. This addition not only enhances the flavor but also provides essential amino acids that are necessary for muscle repair and overall health. Protein also helps in keeping you satiated longer, reducing the urge to snack in between meals. By the way, what's your favorite protein to add to instant noodles? Let us know in the comments below. Instant noodle seasoning packets are often high in sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure and other health issues. Use only half the packet or make your own seasoning mix using low sodium soy sauce, garlic powder, ginger, and a dash of sesame oil. This way, you control the salt content and avoid unnecessary additives. Incorporate healthy fats like avocado slices, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, or a little olive oil. These fats are beneficial for heart health and can enhance the flavor and texture of your dish. Healthy fats not only improve the nutritional profile but also make your meal more satisfying. Instant noodles can be dehydrating because of their high sodium content. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and it will help your body process the meal better. Transforming instant noodles into a nutritious meal is easy. With these tips, you can enjoy a delicious, healthier version of your favorite quick meal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. We hope to see you in our next video.